BIM case study for today, Dublin Airport Central, Phase 1, by Stewart Construction. So my name is Urszula Jedrol. I work as a BIM manager at Stewart Construction. I'm also Construction 4.0 committee member with CIF, and I graduated from GMIT Architectural Technology course 4 years ago. Since then I work as a BIM coordinator, and after 2 years I moved to Stewart, where I progressed my career to the management level. And I've been looking after BIM department for over a year now. I would like to introduce the company I work for. So over 110 years in business, successful 4th generation family-owned and run company, multi-award winning with innovative approach, and some of the services we provide would be design and build and finance, project management, fit-out, value engineering, sustainable construction. So Dublin Airport Central, this project is located next to Terminal 2. Do you have any laser in this thing? No? Okay. So Terminal 2 is basically on that side, yeah. And then you have the multi-story car park on the back, and the site is in the middle. So it's a 45 million design and build contract with level 2 mandated as a part of the contract documents. And Stewart Construction has collaborated with external design team to produce tender submission. And this project is a live project, so I will be focusing more on the tender stage, where we had to produce the BIM execution plan and all level 2 supporting documents in-house, put CDE in place to host federated model, and use file naming convention for all of the documents, and put detailed plan to maximize benefits of BIM for FM, COBie exports, and Synchro Pro was utilized to display timeline simulation, and high quality visualizations produced to support tender submission. So today I would like to focus on CDE naming convention, and I would like to show you how we create the timeline simulations, and then show you the video. So basically, starting with CDE, this is your document management platform, and where you're hosting all the documents and the models. So what we discovered in the process, our current CDE wasn't able to host suitability codes, so we had to look elsewhere, and we found a viewpoint for projects to be BIM level 2 compliant. But what we didn't know at the time was that you don't get a ready-to-use product. You do have to build all the CDE yourself, and basically create those workflows and assign them correctly. So at the moment, if you upload the models which are, let's say, S1, suitable for coordination, shared workflow would be automatically assigned. So in all of those workflows, you have the number of quality checks which needs to be in place on level 2 projects. And the 4 sections of CDE, you have this work in progress, shared, published and archived. We would be controlling this by using the filters rather than creating the containers or folders. And next one, naming convention. So basically for those who are just starting their level 2 projects, I think naming convention would be a good place to start. What we had to do was to introduce this on all of the departments, not only BIM. And what we've done was to create this colorful poster, which is on the right side of the screen. And basically all those samples, everyone would have this at their workstation, and there was no more excuses not to be using correct naming convention, which is based on BS 1192 documents. Next one, so on this project we have different disciplines produce their models, which are linked by using shared coordinate system. So you're looking at the structural model, architectural, mechanical and landscape. Those are linked together, and in the middle you have our main contractor, so basically site setup, cranes and compound to the back of the site. And Synchro Pro. So basically, probably most of the people would be using Navisworks Manage to create simulations, but we got the Synchro Pro, which is like a, I think, higher level. So it's a user-friendly layout. You can bring your Asta Power project program, which we would receive from our planners, and bring in the models and then link everything together. So basically all of the elements from the model, they would need to be assigned to the program, and appearance like construct, demolition, or temporary would be given. And at the end we would create the animation, so capture the camera at a different stage of the time and then pull this together. So when you're happy with your animation, you would export this to another video editing software where we're adding the visualizations, logos and music. And after that, what I like to do also is compress those files because they are large size, and I will show you the video later on. So some of the visualizations produced at the tender stage, external, and then you have the internal renders. And that's the video, if that works. Okay. Sorry. Will this play? No, sorry. Okay. Which one is go up? Sorry.
That's okay.
How do we start from the beginning now? Can't
Yeah.
really play that. Yeah, works. This is what we've been up to in Stewart.
Thanks, good
Yep.
deal.
Yep.